We're here at the Quad A19 trade show and looking at the IEE panel of various avionics displays. Starting with the top left, this is the remote readout unit that's on the AH6. Next to that is a 3 ATI EW display that's on the F-16. Next to that is a 3.5-inch control display unit that's on C-130s and UH-60s. Next to that we have the brake temperature unit that's on the E6. Below that we have a weapons display that's currently going on the MD-530 helicopters. And next to that we have two screens that are on the F-15s. First of all, the passive attack display, the 6x8 screen that goes on the F-15 C and D models. And then the 6x6 screen that's a replacement for a CRT. And that's designed for the F-15E.